Why do we hiccup when we eat fast? Hiccups happen when you swallow too much air while eating quickly. It irritates your diaphragm, which is a dome-shaped muscle in your chest, and triggers a spasm. Your body tries to get rid of the air by forcefully exhaling, but that just ends up making you hiccup more. So, slow down when you eat. Take your time and don't talk with your mouth full. That will only make things worse. And avoid carbonated drinks, which can make you swallow even more air. Now, if you're watching this video because you're worried about hiccups, don't be. They're usually harmless and go away on their own. But if they do become a problem, see a doctor. Now, share this video so that other people know how to deal with hiccups. And follow Brainpop for more fun, body facts.